Right now, it's dawn. Just about time for this creature to become active. This is the North American Fuzzwuzz, Domesticus cereus. He shares his habitat with this 5-toed peach sloth. The Fuzzwuzz and the peach sloth share many daily rituals, like mealtime, hunting time, and nap time. Their relationship is symbiotic. The peach sloth provides the Fuzzwuzz with food and shelter, and the Fuzzwuzz provides him with what was it? What is it that you do again? It's just wait. That's right. I remember now. He provides friendship. To the peach sloth, the Fuzzwuzz is a very precious friend.